Fun with Yarn. Today we are going to knit this beautiful stitch pattern. This is parallelogram stitch pattern. This is look like this, and wrong side is look like this. And we need to cast on multiples of 10 for this pattern, and this is 6 row pattern. It's very easy, not difficult. Then let's begin. For this pattern we need 10 multiples of stitches cast on. I cast on 20 stitches plus 2 edge stitches, all of together 22 stitches. I am going to start my first row. My first row is 5 knits. I skip my first salvage stitch and I am starting 5 knits. One, two, three, three, 4, 5, and next purl 1, knit 1, another purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, and purl 1. We repeating pattern again. 5 knits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now purl 1, knit 1, again purl 1, knit 1, and last stitch purl 1. And this is my salvage stitch, and I am going to purl it. And my second stitch, second row, it's purl 1, knit 1 3 times. My salvage stitch, I skip my salvage stitch and I am starting purl 1, knit 1 set, purl 1, knit 1, my second set, and purl 1, knit 1, my third set. And now I am going to purl 5 purls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets, and again knit purl twice. Knit 1, purl 1 set, knit 1, purl 1 second set, and then knit again. And last four stitch I am going to purl 1 purl, 2 purl, 3 purl, 4 purl, and this is my salvage stitch. My salvage is purl. This is my second row, and now I am going to do my third row. Third row we need 3 knits first, and I skip my first selvage stitch and three uh, three knits, sorry, one knit, two knit, three knit, and then purl 1. I need two sets, purl 1, knit 1, set 1, purl 1, knit 1 is my second set. Now purl 1 and 5 knits again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And my last stitches, I need purl 1, knit 1 set, I need another set, purl 1, knit 1, my second set, and the last three, 1, knit 2, purl 1 and knit 2, 1, 2, and my last selvage stitch I am purling. This is my row 3. I am going to do row 4. Row 4, I need 3 purls first. I am skip my first stitch, my selvage stitch, and I am going to purl 3. 1 purl, 2 purl, and 3 purl. And now I need knit 1, purl 1, set 2 sets, knit 1, purl 1 set, knit 1, purl 1, second set. And now I need knit 1 and 5 purls, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And my last 7 stitch, I need knit 1, purl 1 set, 2 sets, knit 1, purl 1 set, again knit 1, purl 1, the second set, and last 3, knit 1 and 2 purls, 1 purl, 2 purl, and my selvage stitch I every time purling. This is my 4th row. Now I am going to do my 5th row. My 5th row I am going to do, first I am skip my first selvage stitch, and then after that I am doing knit 1, purl 1, 3 sets, knit 1, purl 1, set 1, knit 1, purl 1, set 2, knit 1, purl 1, set 3. Now I am going to knit 5 knits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I after that I need purl 1, knit 1, I need 2 sets, set 1, purl 1, knit 1, 2 sets, and last stitch purl, and last 4 stitch knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and my selvage stitch. And my row 6, we need to purl all stitches. Okay, I'm skip 1 and I'm going to purl all my stitches. 1, 2. We don't need to count, we need to purl everything. I purling everything. Look at this, my pattern. I done my purling. And this is my pattern. This is the parallelogram, you can see, and I come back again with another more few rows. After few rows our pattern is look like this. This is the right side, this is the wrong side. I hope you enjoy my video. I will come back with another beautiful stitch pattern. Bye bye.